Yes, good evening and welcome back to today's episode. Today we are going to we are going to follow the necessary steps in order to file NSSF for a company. This very latest for the month of September 2025. So just pay attention and master the steps that you need to follow in order to file your NSSF without hiring an accountant or maybe someone who will charge you high amounts to file for you the taxes. You can easily follow these laid down steps which I'm going to show you. So first of all, you just head up onto your browser, you type NSSF employer portal and navigate to the employer self-service. You click onto the employer self-service. After clicking this, the very first thing that we are going to do is to get the NSSF payroll template. You click here and you download your NSSF payroll template. Download NSSF payroll template and fill the necessary columns or the necessary details that are required for you to the necessary details for the employees. After filling and making sure that your file is saved in the right folder that you will remember, you come to the employer self-service and you click onto the payroll and payment processing. Then you enter your details. You are going to be directed to this user login. So as a company, you will be having the code, that the NSSF code, and the password that you set for yourself. For you to get the code, you must visit the NSSF offices. So as a company, you register and you get your code. So in our case, I'm going to enter the code for this particular company and the password, and I'm going to log in. So after you've logged in onto your NSSF portal, then you click onto the payroll converter. So this is going to process your payroll template that you had created earlier or with the necessary entries and the fields that you have. So the very first, if you can check this page, you can see the periods that this company has been filing, which is ranged from the very latest. The last filing was done on this was for the period of August 2025, and there's a consistency, which means this company has been filing the NSSF each and every month. And note that the deadline for filing NSSF is 15th of every month, and if you fail to file or to submit your filing for the NSSF, then you attract a penalty of 60 Kenyan shillings. And for you to avoid the penalty, you must file your NSSF and submit your files before the deadline, which is 15th of every month. Yes, so the first thing that we are going to do, if you get to the bottom of this page, you can see the payroll period. So this is where we are going to create the period for this particular month, which is the month of September. So there are two options here. You can create the payroll period, or you can even delete a payroll period. Maybe you made a mistake in creating the period and you now need to delete the period. You just click. For example, if we need to delete this period for the month of August, you just click onto it and click the delete payroll period, and the period will be deleted. We don't want to delete this period, So in our case, we are going to create the period for the month of September. So in creating the period, just click onto the create period and you enter the month that you want to create the period for. So this for the month of September. Then you fill the payroll type. This for the regular employees, the contribution type. Here we have the old rates, we have the tier 1, we have the tier 2. But for this case, we only have the tier 1 and the tier 2. So we just go with the tier 1 and the tier 2 and click open to create the period. And our period has been successfully created. So you can see this the period of for September that we are filing currently. It just been opened. The next step is to upload your file. So this is the template. The payroll file upload here is the template that you had filled with the necessary necessary details of the employees. And you must remember where you saved your file, so that you just go and choose the exact file where you saved it. Mine was saved in the desktop in the statutory files NSSF folder, so which is a very good practice if you want to save on time and avoid confusion. Then you can see our payroll template September 2025 is open here, and the next thing is to upload it. Yeah, and the file, you just click the upload, and the file payroll template September 2025 was successfully uploaded. Please return to payroll converter page and click process payroll. So then after uploading and your file is successfully uploaded here, you just click back to get to start processing the payroll data. So here you can see the state for this period is ready to process the payroll, and there's here the button to process the payroll data. So just click onto the process, and you can see the prompt that the payroll processing has been initiated. You just click OK. So it's processing. You can just click again to check, and the payroll process completed successfully. So here we've now processed and completed the processing of the payroll data, and there are several options here. Now you can see the state has also changed. Now file ready for download. You can now download your file. You can view and download your SF24 that has been processed and produced. You can also show or see if there are any produced errors. You can also see them here, and also the option of upload the produced SF24. So here we are going to view this one. You can view so there are no errors. This is the SF24 that you can also download. This the download button here. We just get back and we upload the produce SF24. So here you just click onto it, and you can now see the state. It's showing the submission and check submission. So this is, we are going to click onto the check submission to submit the SF24. The submission check has been initiated, so you will be notified. Just click OK, and you can click it. The submission is in process. You can just click again. It has been modified, and you just click continue clicking, and the submission has been done and completed successfully. What you can now do is to view the check results or view the SF24. So at this particular moment, you are done filing your NSSF for the period of September. So in our next episode, the next video, I'm going to show you how to process the payments. For this video, I request you to just subscribe, like the video, and share with the friends. and see you in the next video. Thank you.